got to as part of the program to get to. I think what it is, I'll be so much, I'll be so much, uh, whatever it was I was gonna say. I'll be so much getting ahead of myself. Should I be ready? I wish right now was next week. I'm just trying to get through it. I get through it. Be all right. I guess anticipation of knowing, you know.
Of course.
I'll do that. Bro, so sure, I'll see you when I get back, Jack. All right. Shoot, yeah. He doing his thing. Round T. Thompson, he say.
Damn, nigga.
Babe, this is weak. This is not all of this stuff.
Then you need to take it with you, cause
that's what I probably need to do. This one too, I like this one. This is like the Creed, it's the knockoff, but you gotta spray a lot. It'll be gone in an hour because it's mostly alcohol on these.
Man.
Yeah. It's mostly alcohol.
Throw that off in your bag, bro.
Yeah.
Hey,
I got some in my bag. I just don't. They people. I need to swap them out. That's what I need to do. But I use those to spray the bus when it's stinking.
Like, when you be in there farting.
Yeah, sometimes that, but sometimes you get some funky characters that get on there.
I know.
Like, man, I'm like, I can't take it. You know, as much as I fart and stink, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I can't even smell my own fart. But when I can't stand somebody else's stuff, you know it's a problem. All right, bud, let me get on down this road. I got 10, 30 minutes to get.
Oh, you got it, nigga. Ain't no traffic.
Yeah, I still got it. Bye, Dad. Bye, Duke. I'll see you later.
So I'm gonna do my whole head. Maybe today. Maybe it might take me 2 days. Might take me 3 days. But I got a week. 1 week before I leave to go up north. So any of you guys that's up in the Bay Area, San Francisco, Monterey, Oakland, San Jose, let me know like where the spots is to go. I'm definitely going to be doing my food reviews because I'm going to be going to restaurants that I've never been to before. This time I'm taking my entire family again like I did for my Vegas trip, except for my other eldest son is going to be coming. You guys will get a chance to see him. But I'm going to do these and I'll come back when I'm totally done and I will definitely show you the end result. Okay. Now the hair that I bought, I did have to order it online and I ordered that hair from I Kick Shins. IKICKSHINS. They have their own hair brand and they also sell the roster free. The reason why I buy the roster free, and I was so happy that they had so many different variations of red, roster free, their brand does, because I love that brand because it's so silky, it rarely tangles, and it doesn't cut my fingertips. Because synthetic hair, depending on the brand, can kind of cut your fingertips and make your fingertips very sensitive to touch. It almost is like it gives it like little paper cuts. So if I'm very particular about the brand of hair that I use.
Hey, I'm going. Hey, take that trash out for me.
About about the brand of hair that I use, because I need to have comfort in my hands when I'm braiding and doing other people's hair. So roster free has always done it for me. And another reason why I love roster free is because when I dip it, I don't care how long I've had my braids in or how long my clients have had their braids in, anytime I re-dip this hair, it looks like they just got it done again. The ends go back super silky and super straight and just super bomb. Like, I love me some roster free. So when I saw that they had roster free on their website in so many different variations of red, I was like, oh yes. And this is the red that I was kind of looking for. I really was kind of going for something like a chocolate cherry kind of look, which is why you don't see me tucking my ends. Well, that's one reason why I'm not tucking my hair. So that all you see is this red right here. First of all, first reason, I just ain't got time for that. That's not really what my focus is. Now, if I had a client that wanted me to tuck their hair, then I would, and all you would see is this red all the way through and through. But I kind of like the ombre kind of look. And I also like for my black hair to show through here because people always think that black girls don't have hair or they're wearing these styles because they don't have hair. No, boo boo. We wear these styles because we like to switch it up. We like to be unique. We like to be different. We're trendsetters, and however we feel in that day is, if it's available for us to be able to do, that's what we do. So no, I mean, clearly you guys can see I have a head full of hair. I wear my wigs. As a matter of fact, I have a wig downstairs. I just got to bleach the knots on it and probably do a little bit more plucking, but I wear me wigs too. I braid my hair. I keep my hair in protective styles. And for me, this is definitely a protective style. Anytime I go out of town or I may be doing some swimming or just anytime I go out of town, I don't want to be fussing with my hair. I want to get up and be able to go in the morning time and hit the streets and do what it is that I want to do without my hair being an issue. You know what I'm saying? So I braid my hair up. I put my hair in twists. I do whatever it is that I got to do. So I was just feeling kind of funky and I'm trying to pick colors. The last time I braided my hair, I used 350, which is definitely my color, but that's more orangey. This is more on the red side, like kind of like an orangey red color, not burgundy at all. So I really enjoyed that they had this. They have also like a D39 or D35. This is D13. But you just got to go on their website. Now, they sell the hair. I think these ones were $3.99, which is kind of like the going price for roster free in different places. Um, Girl, which is the going rate now for roster free in different places. I remember when it was like $2.50 or something like that. Now you can get anywhere from $3.50 to $4. I think this was $3.99, and I was cool with that. And then you do have to pay shipping. So I do wish that they would offer a code or something. You can follow them on Instagram, but I do wish that they offered like a little code or something to kind of bring down that shipping cost. Because I bought like $27 worth of this hair right here, like 7 bags or something like that. And then it had some tags and it came out to, whatever. But I wasn't able to find this hair, and you will not be able to find this color of hair at any beauty supply store anywhere. So this is almost really only a color that you can find if you order online. And iKickShins have all the colors: pink, purple, blue, gold, green, red, what different variations of purples, different variations of blue, different variations of red, different variations, you know what I'm saying? So check them out. And like I said, when I get done doing this, I will come back and show you the final result. Rondi619. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Like I tell y'all don't really gotta share, but go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. So when I got something to say, y'all can tune in. Peace.
What? We got y'all room.
Because I told her, I was like, oh, this is the room the primary's supposed to have right here.
I went and showed Pops the other room that we was in 124. Nope, we want our room. We got our room. Them niggas looking at the. What she said? That black lady, remember that?
I wasn't with you when you
when I was at the customer service desk?
Yeah, I was waiting by the stuff.
She was like, oh, you lost a what? They took that and went on about their business.